What's up, e-bikers? I just finished outfitting my Lectric 1 commuter style e-bike. I'll walk you through it all next on the channel. Let's go. Alright, finally got some time to work on the Lectric 1 e-bike. And stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a nice commute with this e-bike. I'm going to take it on the train up to New Haven, Connecticut, put it on the train hanger inside the car there, take it off, go through Union Station downtown, ride around Yale a bit, and just see how this thing is at commuting. And I'm going to put a bunch of stuff on it. I've got some baggage on here now, as you see. So let me walk you through what I've done to the e-bike as far as accessories go. And this e-bike is aimed at commuters, so it's for the series commuter. It's a cadence sensor e-bike. You're not going to sweat, and it's a maintenance-free e-bike as well. You have a Gates belt drive down here, and that's paired with that pinion semi-automatic shifter gearbox there. So it has electronic shifting, and it is it's also a quick bike, the best power-weight ratio in the industry by far. It's just a blast to ride. Let's start with the rear and work our way back here. So I added this Rock Bros bag. It's got panniers on it, little side bags essentially. They pop down, and I can basically put stuff in there and just hook it onto the little bar down here and put stuff in here as well. It's not a huge pocket, but it is on both sides, and you can fit something in there. So on top we've got a nice bag as well. Let me find me. Here's the thing, I got the charger in there. I got a little side pocket there with a little waterproof cover on the bag. And I'll put links to everything here on the video description of the video. Moving on to the middle e-bike, and we'll start at the top here. I kept the electric seat, and that's because I added this Connect seat post. I've actually had this for a while. It's been on various bikes in my garage, but I thought this was the perfect application for it because this bike has no front suspension. So I wanted something really comfortable on the seat end, and this is basically Cadillac of suspension seat posts. It's about $229, I think, maybe a little bit cheaper somewhere, but it's a great suspension seat post. You can adjust it over here on the screws. It comes with different springs for different weights people, and I think it's a 27.2, and I had a shim on here, so it would fit onto the electric seat post, which I think is 31.8 normally. I added a little combination chain lock here. That's one of two locks. I've got a water bottle mount and this nice little black Fox water bottle on here. Kept everything black on the e-bike. And moving down here to the pedals. So Lectric gives you quick release pedals. I don't like those, however. They've fallen off on a few of my e-bikes, and they're just hard to click on and off. It's just kind of a pain. It doesn't work that well, that function. So I opted for these Light Plus folding pedals in black. Also come in red or yellow, I believe. And these are a nice compromise there, I think, versus the quick release ones. I never have to take them off, so it's another plus to me. I'm lazy, so I'd rather just fold them and be done with it. So nice little touch there from Light Plus. And there's not rounded edges. It's not very sharp on these points here. So some of these, pedals you can buy online, they kind of have sharp points on here, but these ones are fairly smooth overall. They're not going to cut your leg or anything if you scrape them. I also added an electric lock down the bottom here. I blacked out the lettering so it wouldn't compete with that one there. And one note about putting the lock down here is the screws that come on those two bottle cages there are pretty short, so when I tried to put it on, it wouldn't fit because this space is too long. So I had some other silver ones, a little bit longer. I think they're a number 4 Allen. I used longer bolts to secure the holder for the lock right there, and now it fits perfectly, and it's a great placement for that lock right there on the bottom. On the top end here, I had a pump, a bike pump, which was sitting around my garage. So I stuck that on the top two bottle cage bosses here on the bike as well. So if I get a flat, I can push it up. These tires have slime in them, so I shouldn't get a flat. But if I ever need to pump it up, I got something quick and handy there to do that. Moving up the handlebar, I had a little cup holder on here, even though I have that down there. I just wanted an extra one as well. Also, it kind of doubles as a pocket. I have a air tag I got to throw on there, but yeah, another pocket for tissues or whatever is a good addition there. I've got a Lectric phone mount right here. I love these. Nice and secure, and it locks on the back as well. I got this nice bell. I forget what brand this is, but it's got a nice ring to it, nice tone, and it's loud enough, which sometimes these bells aren't too loud when you buy them on Amazon, but this one's pretty good. I've got a nice wide angle side mirror here. You need these side mirrors when you're riding, especially if you're commuting. And this one's kind of extra large, so it gives you a lot more coverage, and it's a great addition for the left side. And up here I got my little Rhino bag, carries my tools in there, a few other essentials, another storage area as well. Keychain is here. I got my lock keys and my battery keys for the Lectric. And this here is for my helmet. So I've got this Lumos helmet here with turn signals, and no commuter should be without a good helmet. And this is my choice here. If I turn it on the back, you can see how it blinks there. If I press the left and right buttons on the turn signals, there you go. You see that left turn signal blinking right there. Here's the right turn signal. And you can see here also the front side light also blinks down. And on the face visor right there. And you can hear that. It also beeps at you as well, so you know it's on, so you can turn it off. Alright, so there's your Lectric One outfitted for the commuter. And yeah, looking forward to the ride we're going to go on. Again, I'll put links to everything here in the description of the video. I am an affiliate of Amazon. Most of these basically are Amazon products, so click the link to buy and make a tiny commission on there. Help support the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. As the winter comes on, you make less on YouTube because a lot of e-bike companies are not advertising as much. So I do rely on Amazon affiliate stuff to also bring in a little bit of cash for the channel. And none of the stuff is too expensive, except maybe the Connect C-Post here, a couple $100. Everything else is like, $10, $20, $30, $40-ish. So that's it. It's probably a couple, probably like, I don't know, $300 or $400 of stuff on here. And the helmet itself is about, I think it's $183 right now on Amazon on sale. So that's a pretty good deal. But the Lectric One is a really great commuter e-bike. I think it's going to fit on anything. Fits anywhere. It's light enough, only 55 pounds. You could take this on a commuter train. But yeah, that's a nice look at the Lectric One commuter style e-bike. $21.99 on the Lectric website. 14 amp hour battery. It should get you like 60 miles of range roughly. I've yet to do a range test on it, but hopefully if the weather cooperates, as you can see, the leaves are falling here in New England, and cold weather is coming, but I think we still got some days in the 70s still left to go through here, through October, and hopefully one of those days I'll take it to New Haven there. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Chris Cross and my new Lectric One. I really love this e-bike, guys. It's a lot of fun to ride. It's the XB Lights 2.0 on steroids, essentially. It's just it's light, nimble, and really fast for its size.